Okay, he got stuck. Ready? Okay, there. Okay, keep going. Okay, get behind him, baby. Hold up here. Hold up there. You get it? There you go. Okay. Yay! Did you get stuck again? Okay. Okay. Let's turn him around. Ready? Here. Okay. Gotta get behind him. Here. Oh, did he get away from you? You gotta get behind him, sweetie. Not on this side. Back here. Come back here. Let's stand behind him. There you go. All the way behind him. Okay, there you go. Okay, now try. Here, Taylor. Just like that. There you go. There you go. Oh, honey, did you get stuck again? I'm going to turn him around. See? Turn him this way. Okay, there. Now can you get up? Okay, I'll try again. You got to get behind him. Uh-oh. Taylor, get behind him right back here. Okay, back there. Okay, come on. Okay, get all the way behind him. Okay. Okay, you're still on this side of him, sweetheart. Here. Okay, here. There we go. Oopsie daisy. Okay, try. Try again. There you go. There you go. Stand up. You can do it, baby. Oh, honey, you gotta get behind him. Right here. You're on the side. Get behind. Look. Come here. Come over here. Let Mommy help. Hold on. Come here. Let Mommy help. Ready? Right like that. Right like that. See? Okay. All right.